So this is Romeo the Professor. I'm on an exchange, a decentralized exchange called SimpleSwap.io. So I want to send Ethereum and I want to purchase this NFT coin, which is called Chroma. Okay? So now I have to enter the Chroma address here. I'm going to go to my Trust wallet right here. And as you can see, this is my Trust wallet. I have Chroma right here. Eternity Chain and Chroma is an NFT. So I want to buy more Chroma. So I click here and I click receive. So I copy. Now I go here and I enter here. Now, let's see if I have that much Ethereum. 1 Ethereum, because I'm taking the Ethereum from here. So, Ethereum, I have 3,600 and Ethereum is 1,600. So I would do 1.5. 1.5. Okay? So now, I click, so I'm sending 1.5 Ethereum to get Chroma, this much Chroma. And this is my Chroma address. I click exchange. Now it's going to ask me for my Ethereum address that I'm paying. So I have to send my Ethereum to this address. So I click that, I copy. I go here, I click on Ethereum and then send. And I'm going to put the address that I copy, paste it, and then press max, and I'm gonna put 1.5. Remember, 1.5, and then continue. And I'm going to screenshot this, and I press send. So now it's sending 1.5 of my Ethereum to here, SimpleSwap. And so now SimpleSwap is waiting. SimpleSwap will receive it and it will do all these confirmations. Waiting, then receive, then exchange, then send. It's going to do all of that. It takes about, to do all that, about 25 minutes. Now you see where it says the exchange ID? You need to copy that exchange ID and put it on your notes, because that's the ID you will need to know if everything went through. So I'm going to pause it right now and wait for everything to go through. Okay, so now you see that it's at the sending. Look towards the top, it's at the sending. Once it's at the sending, it should be arriving at the Trust wallet. So let's see that. So let's click our Trust wallet and let's go back. So we see Ethereum now, 1,000 is left, and we see Chroma now said it received, and the transaction received 352, and right now it's 353. So it received it in the Trust wallet, and so now Chroma is 6,654. So that's how you buy coins that's not on a exchange like Coinbase, Crypto.com, or Binance US, or Voyager. I am Romeo the Professor.